In this lesson, we are going to learn two usages of 可以. One is giving suggestion. 对不起，我不喝咖啡。没关系，你可以点一杯热茶。The meaning of be is, oh, that's okay. You don't drink coffee. I gave you a suggestion. How about a cup of hot tea? Give a suggestion. 我不知道要送妈妈什么礼物。你可以送她一件红色的新衣服。Here, B, give a suggestion. 你想要点什么？这里的珍珠奶茶很好喝。我们可以点珍珠奶茶。We can do this. B, give a suggestion. The second usage of 可以 is to express permission. 妈妈，我可以吃冰淇淋吗？ Could I? 太冷了，不可以。No, you can't. B is Mama. Mama say, no, I don't allow you to eat ice cream because it's too cold. 老师，我现在可以去洗手间吗？可以。我们可不可以在捷运上吃东西？不可以，也不可以喝饮料。Here, 不可以吃东西，也不可以喝饮料。See you. Bye.